The idea is and then it is set. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Had to work for this one. I was supposed to be coming on Wednesday to do a 2-night trip, and I went to one place that had 3 different ponds in it, 3 campsites, and it turned out no one who was in there had registered at the trailhead, so I walked to every single campsite to find out it was taken. So today I decided to come here hoping that, well, I thought it was just going to be a short hike, but it turns out the seasonal access road was closed, so I had to park at one end and walk, I don't know how far, probably taken me 2 hours to get here. So I deserve this, and it's a beautiful campsite. I guess this used to be drivable, like you could drive up to this, so there's plenty of amenities. There's a bench there, fire pit over there, but obviously the main thing, if I change the aperture, which it won't let me, hang on, is the lake. And I've got this lake all to myself. Little fish. I had to dump my, when I realised the road was closed, I had to dump some of the extra gear, like my axe and stuff that I wanted to bring to try some new stuff, but it's alright, can't complain now. I did bring my fishing rod again this time. Well, actually I got a new telescoping rod, so I'm going to try that out. It looks a bit shallow here though. But I've also got something else that I want to try, a bit of passive fishing. First I'm going to set up my tent, I think. Well, there you go. There's my little Marmot EOS 1P. I actually bought that tent because it's been discontinued. So when I bought it, it was on clearance. I got it pretty cheap. It weighs, it's pretty lightweight. It actually says on the weight, 2 pounds 7 ounces, which isn't bad. There's lighter ones out there, but for the price I paid for it, you can't beat it. And I like the fact it's got a side entry. You don't have to enter from the end, which gives me a little bit of a vestibule to put my stuff. I don't know if you can hear the loons. Annoyingly, when I was trying to get out, when I was in a rush dumping off extra stuff to get out of the truck, I left my big tripod, so I've only got my ultrapod. But I've noticed over there's like a rock jetty, and there's fish busting in a deep pool. I don't know how big they are, but I'm gonna rig up my rod and I'm gonna go do some fishing. I'm gonna put some shorts on as well, maybe get my feet wet. Oh baby. There you go. Yeah, that's just a little guy. Beautiful. Great colours on him though. Alright, let's get him back. Oh, there he goes. It's an even bigger one, look. I'm just hammering these little guys. Oh, he stinks. Smell like a fish. But I could catch a bunch of those. See, he's quite big for whatever he is. Catch a couple of those and could make a meal. I mean, I'm just hammering them, so it's not much point in showing every one, but that one was quite a big one. Oh baby. No supermarket buff today. This is from the butcher. Oh baby. This is why I had to suffer the last couple of days trying to find a campsite, because I stopped at the butcher on the way up. It made me work for it. Man, look at that. Boom. No baby. Oh baby. Bud Light. Oh baby. It's that time. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here's my little automatic fish trap, look. Trigger system down there. I really wish, I don't know if you can see that string. I really wish I had my big tripod. But I'm gonna bait it up, throw a line out and see if it catches anything. Too much line. That wasn't my intention. You showed that. Where's the hook, mate? Well, steak's done. This is all much harder. Without my big tripod. Come on. I'm starving. I always like to make sure. I hydrate. No. Just like to make sure I eat before it gets dark. Because cooking in the dark is a pain. It's not so bad if I'm just cooking noodles or boiling some water. But doing this, I like to be able to see what I'm doing. I want my fish trap to work next. Right, I'm going to finish this and then work on the fish trap. I caught a fish but it swallowed the hook, so I'm going to have to cut the line and try again. I've got too much line on there, I think. You got it, the trigger's just not. No. Okay. Oh, go on, pull it, pull it. Oh, it's so close. The idea is and then with a set. Oh, it got off. Whatever it was, it got off. That's fine, because my trigger's not. My trigger. They're not pulling it hard enough to trigger it. It's finicky system. But if I can get it to work. That might be it, you know. That might be it. These are just little fish. Little fish. Come on, pull it, lad. Somebody's got it. Oh, pull. What? Oh, I can see the tension on it. Go on. Oh, it's so close. Go on, pull it. The whole point is it's supposed to go off automatically. There's a fish on. No, fish, pull. Run with it, fish. Go on, run with it, run with it. I mean, I could have just done that with a bank line. Right? Oh. Fish on! Fish on! Fishing. Oh, don't you, don't. Right, I'm just, is that better? Just relaxing by the fire. It's dark, pitch black now. My fish trap worked after the camera battery died and I didn't realise. Yeah, a fish set it off, so I'll give it another go tomorrow. But apart from that, I'll catch you in the morning. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I slept good actually. I slept really good. I always seem to sleep better in a tent. It's cold right now. I woke up and it's cold. It's in the 40s actually. But I bought a like a fleece sleeping bag, a 50-degree fleece sleeping bag, sleeping bag from Dick's for like $15. And I put that inside my orange one and I was fine. I was perfectly warm all night. It was even hot at points, so. But one thing I did do is I remembered my steak in my polar pack thing, and I forgot all the rest of my yeah. My wife's supposed to be coming to meet me today here, hopefully, so first thing this morning, gotta hike back to the truck and get my food. When I was dumping all the excess of stuff I didn't need, I think I just dumped it on the back seat of the truck whilst I was taking all the stuff out, so yeah, first things first, I gotta walk all the way back to the truck to come all the way back. And thanks again for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Good girl. You got that stick?